The crescent moon. Looks like DreamWorks or something. But yeah. Anyway, it's your boy D. Oh, let me zoom out. That shit got zoomed in. But yeah, man. We talking about, speak on a couple of issues on the game, you know. I've been inspired by this video I watched on Currency, man. You talking about letting the people that put some thought into their music get a chance to speak, you know. But in order for that movement, and for order for people to understand that a dude can speak, you're going to have to learn how to listen to music. Don't sit there, don't worry about bob your head, don't listen to the beat is cracking. Just actually take the time to listen to the lyrics, because me, myself, I feel like I'm a lyrical assassin, so if you listen to just the words that I say and the way I put the words down,
me too.
You could tell that it's more of artwork for me, man. It's not just music. It's just not some stuff that sounds good. I take this shit as an artwork, like Leonardo da Vinci in his prime, you feel me? That's the kind of MC I am. You know, something like a Michelangelo, you know? I just do this shit, man.
Well,
I don't know, I just smoke a lot of weed, so, you know, I see the world a little differently from everybody else. But, you know, actually just put your hand on your chin or something. Turn the bass off if you have to, and just listen to the words that people be saying in their rhymes. I'm not dissing nobody. I'm not saying that just because this dude isn't lyrical that he ain't a rapper. Do what you do, but if you're gonna listen to the 80 or some real shit,
you gonna listen to him.
Just take a minute and listen.
To it, you know.
Just take the time. You might have to rewind it. You have to play the track back, but just listen. Take a listen to the words and the flow as well, because the flows are on point.
It's delivery. It's
not just about what's gonna make a slapper, you know. Even though I always come with slappers, but you know, there's a thought process behind it. So like my guy Currency said, man, just give us people that put some thought into our music. Just give us a chance, you know. Just take a listen to a couple of tracks on our CD, you know.
80.
If you don't like it, you don't like it. But you know, I'm trying to start this movement, man. Real talk music coming for your area. It's D-Lu. I'm out.
80.
80.